Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Today our group will have a technical discussion about the landing robot. Before we start, let's introduce ourselves. First, my name is Ilham. I'm the team leader and specialist in sensor system and control circuit. My main responsibility is to realize system.
Hi, I'm Julian, and my role in the team is as a hardware engineer, and I'm specialized in motor driver circuits and power electronics. I'm mainly responsible for the physical components and wiring of the robot.
Hello, my name is Yaldi. I am the software and logic designer, a specialist in control, programming, and algorithm design. My job is to make sure the robot's algorithm works correctly.
Hi, I'm Intan. I'm in charge of quality and documentation. My focus is on testing and reporting. Make sure everything is recorded correctly.
Alright, now Bian, can you explain little bit about your robot system?
Sure, I will explain about the system. The system contains of infrared sensor module, a driver motor IC, a microcontroller, and driver motors, and a voltage regulator. So the function of the infrared sensor is to detect the black line on the white surface, and the system usually operates at 5 volts from a 9 volt battery through a voltage regulator. And we also use resistors to protect the indicator LED, and the motor driver can handle up to 2 amperes per channel.
That's a complete system. Thanks for the explanation, Bian.
Okay, so here the problem during our test run, the robot keep going off the track. It could follow the line properly. What do you think is causing this guys?
So in my opinion, the problem is with the infrared sensor, because I think the sensor sensitivity isn't calibrated properly, so it cannot detect the line accurately.
I agree with Bian, but I also think there might be an issue with the algorithm timing. Could you clarify, Bian, what was the sensor output voltage when you tested it?
Just now I just checked it with the multimeter, and it turns out that the output was fluctuating around 1.5 volt and 3.2 volts, and it should be a stable digital signal, but it wasn't.
What do you think about the capacitor in the sensor circuit? I suspect the fault capacitor is causing two voltage fluctuation and heating up the sensor cycle.
Great point. Then, so we have two single problem: the sensor calibration and the capacitor condition. Let's find the solution. Okay, alright. Let's find the task so we can solve this efficiently. What you recommendation?
My recommendation is to recalibrate the sensor first. I will handle the software side. I'll adjust the threshold value in the microcontroller code so the sensor reads the line more accurately.
So I suggest we replace the capacitor too, and I will handle the hardware, and then I'll replace the broken capacitor. And Intan, can you help with the testing circuit after that?
Of course, I'll handle the testing and verification. I'll use the multimeter to check if the voltage is stable after the replace component.
Great. My recommendation is also to add a small delay in the algorithm to science the sensor and motor recommend. Let's get started.
Xiaomi, can you explain why change the threshold value in this command? How exactly does it help the robot implement?
Sure, the threshold tells the controller when doesn't know when to turn. Adjusting it makes the response much more accurate.
So, what do you think about using a ceramic capacitor instead of electrolytic one? Do you agree with that approach?
In my opinion, yes, ceramic capacitor have better performance response for filtered noise in sensor circuit. And Duyan, why exactly do we need the voltage regulator here?
So we use it to make sure the microcontroller and the sensor always get a stable 5 volts, even when the battery drains, and without it, the voltage can drop and the whole system behaves unpredictable.
Okay, I think we've covered everything. Intan, can you wrap up your discussion?
Okay, to wrap up, we found two main issues: bad sensor calibration and fault capacitor. We're fixed to this by recalibration the threshold and replacing the capacitor, and a sync delay to the algorithm. With us sign everyone thanks, and we're confident this will work. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.